tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something? That's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. And we are here with Outre in the building. It has been a hot minute since I installed a unit from Outre, but today we do have Avalon, however you pronounce it. This is a construction of the wig. As you guys can see, it's not a full lace frontal wig. It's just like a deep side part wig. You get room to do your baby hairs and things of that nature. This is a color. It is DR2 Cinnamon Spice, and she is 26 inches. But look at her, y'all. She about to be a motherfucking vibe. I love the color gradient on this wig. It is so pretty. Now this wig definitely has volume, definitely has texture. It does come with baby hairs. I did push them back into the unit so you guys can see the actual hairline. So I'm going to start off first by tinting the lace. I'm using Red by Kisses Lace Tinting Spray. This is going to help it melt into my complexion because the lace is kind of like a whitish transparent color and it does not blend. So we're going to have to tint it, okay? So this is what it looks like once I put it back on. Like I said, I didn't go too crazy on the lace tinting spray because I didn't want to overdo it. But now I'm just going to go in and hot comb the hairline. You don't have to do this step either. It's just a personal preference. I love my roots to be nice and flat and laid. This unit is very thick in density. So if you want a lot of volume, you're going to have to definitely skip this step. But this hairline though, okay, it gives. So now I'm just going to go in and finish cutting off the rest of the lace. I like to create jagged edges, and I also like to cut fairly close to the lace. The less the lace, the better, in my opinion. So this is what it looks like before we install it. I'm gonna just push this back and I'm just gonna spray a thin layer of my Ebin Supreme lace spray. And I'm only spraying one thin layer, or layer and a half, because this wig is snug. These companies really need to do better when it comes down to making their units for everyone, because I have a big head, and girl, when I tell you it was tight, it was tight. So I just put the layer of Ebin Supreme on there just so it won't go nowhere. It's like a snug, but I don't want it sliding back. But anyway, y'all, I'm just going to go ahead and take my comb and try to blend everything into my hairline. And like I said, I'm literally putting the blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and I'm letting it get tacky before I lay it down. I wait until the product is tacky, and then I line the wig where I place the product. And as you guys can see, it's sticky. I'm just going to use my comb, the rat tail end of it, and just push the lace down into my forehead. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I don't know if it was the light, I don't know, it was just something about this lace that it was off-putting. I didn't really like it. It wasn't blending as I'm used to other synthetic laces blending. I don't know. I worked with Outre before and they used to be on point, but it was just something in particular about this lace that was just, I wasn't really feeling. But y'all know we gonna make it do what it do. So I'm just going in with a little bit more of my tinting spray to try to blend that in. And I don't know if y'all can tell how it's pressing against my forehead. Like I said, it's tight. But we just gonna have to make it work, okay? So I'm just putting that on the outside of the lace, and then I'm just gonna add my elastic band and allow it to sit for a couple of minutes to see what that does. So boom. So it did blend a little bit more better. I'm super, I'm proud of that, okay? But like I said, if you guys don't like baby hairs, you don't have to do this step. You can just style it and you're pretty much done. But I want to give a little bit more pizzazz to that parting area. I want to create more of an oval shape, so it just, it gives it a little bit more personality. I just didn't like the line going straight down. However, you can wear it like that if you want. Now I'm going in with my cream foundation. This is by Kiss, and I'm using the lighter shade. I think I used 12, but I used the lighter shade. And as you guys can see, it just brings the part to life. Like, no wiggy vibes over here. I know it's a wig, but you don't want to make it look more like a wig, So defining the part really it gives it that scalp, okay? So I am actually going in today and using my mini flat iron or my 1-inch flat iron to create my baby hairs. And y'all, I can't believe I slept on this. Why didn't I do this sooner? I keep forgetting that with synthetic units, they are heat resistant to 400 degrees. So you can curl them, and I curled them. And I'm telling you, this was a life changer. I've never, experienced my baby hairs being this easy for me to create. And like I said before, when you do your baby hairs with synthetic hair, it's kind of tedious if you're not using the flat iron. I will never be doing any installs without my flat iron to curl my baby hairs ever again. This is what she's looking like. I just pinned her up so I could, switch out my clothes. And that's a cute little style. I feel like you actually can make that into a style. But anyway, this is what she's looking like. She's looking a little rough, and she's looking a little straggly. So we could go in with a wide tooth comb and just detangle her. Due to the type of curls that are in this unit, I don't like to go in with a brush because I don't want to, fully take out the curls. So I'm just going to go in and use my comb and just, detangle her. Now this unit was shedding on me. I was wearing black, okay, throughout this day, and y'all, this hair was shedding more than I would have liked it to have, okay? It's a pretty unit, but I'm gonna tell you right now, she is gonna do some shedding on you, okay? So like I said, this was my first time fully going in to detangle it. I didn't pluck this unit or anything, so this is just the shedding that is coming from this unit directly, okay? But y'all, this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it until I get it to my liking. I do go back in with my hot comb to, bump up the top to give that a little bit more personality. But y'all, this unit is fire. Okay, I'm really obsessed with how the burgundy flows into that burnt orange. That color gradient right there is freaking everything. I did get a few snags and tags here and there as well during the detangling process. But other than that, y'all, I probably would rate this unit probably a 7.5 out of 10. And y'all know why? Because of the construction and because of the shedding, But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.
Just enough to show I come close, I want you.